without your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping.
What's up? Thank you for tuning in. Kaiser Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a Hot Wheels video for you. I'm going to be doing my take on the Super Treasure Hunt 2021 Nissan 300 Twin Turbo. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and post up the car right here. You guys can see it. And then I'm going to post up the 2021, and this is what we're gonna clone. So yeah, thank you guys for being here and checking this process out. So let's get to it. Okay guys, in order to make this custom and make this look like the 2021 Super Treasure Hunt, don't worry, I'm not trying to burn anybody or trick anybody or anything like that. This is just personal for me, custom. I want to make a treasure hunt and see if I can do it. So the first thing we need to do is take the rivets that hold the body onto basically the frame of the car, I guess you could call it. So we're gonna go ahead and drill those out now. I got my drill set up with my stepper bit, and I got some other drill bits as well. So let me get that done and I'll be right back. Alright, so that is the rivets right there. As you can see how I drilled them out up front and back. So let's take this apart. There it is, all apart. We got the body, the glass, the interior, and the lower frame with the wheels. Next is we're going to remove the paint. So we're gonna put that in some caustic soda and let that work. You can use paint stripper as well. And we're gonna turn that into a bare metal casting. So just stay tuned. So the car's out of the stripper and it's a bare metal casting, as you can see. The stripper did a pretty good job. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to polish it and we're going to give it a shine, because we're going to throw a transparent paint right over this metal base, which is going to give it a really spectral flame look, what most Super Treasure Hunts come with. So let me get to polishing, guys. And we're back. So what I went ahead and did is I polished it. I worked on the casting for a while, and I used a metal polish, chrome polish, and a finishing polish from Meguiar's. I think it came out pretty good, guys. Trying to get it as close as I can to a mirror finish. I know that it's 1/64 scale Hot Wheel, so it's very hard to do without erasing any of the lines, because the compound does remove material. If I was to leave it there long enough, I'd probably erase those little wiper nozzles and, you know, little lines like right here on the roof. They would probably get erased. So the next thing, guys, is paint. We're gonna throw like a transparent blue or a candy blue or something like that. It's gonna give it that spectral flame effect. So just stay tuned. So last, when we left off, we had the polished body. Guys, I'm gonna hit it with some transparent blue, which is this blue right here, over the chrome. It's gonna give it a really good pop. Also, the original wheels gone. Okay, I got some nice Real Riders here. You know what I mean? Gotta clean them up a little bit. I mean, I could even use my custom made rims that I made in the last video. I mean, these ain't the best Real Riders, but they're gonna work for what I need. So yeah, but that's gonna be the wheel swap and the paint. So I think the next thing is just I'm cleaning it up real good, getting all the fingerprints, and then we're gonna paint it up, guys. See you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so here is straight out of paint. I went with the similar color to the Super Treasure Hunt, the 2021, and it's kind of like a transparent blue. So I also added a touch of detail, and I put the TH on both sides using my vinyl cutter right here in the background. So yeah, I got some wheels, guys. We're getting rid of these old ugly wheels, and we got some nice Real Riders right here we're gonna throw on. So just stay tuned. There we go, we got the wheels swapped. Next is we're gonna put the interior and then assemble the car, guys. So let me get all this together and I'll show you when it's done. Here's the finished product. There it is, all assembled. Rolls good. Let me see if I can zoom in here, guys. Look at the wheels. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's my custom. This is not to deceive anybody, guys. I mean, I'm not gonna try to tell everyone this is a real 21 Super Treasure. It's just a clone, and I did it for my own collection. You know, the clones are going kind of high. I mean, the Super Treasures are going high. You know, I mean, I can get one right now for like 150, but you know, I have the car, might as well just make my own. I like customs anyway, and this is built by me. So thank you guys for tuning in and checking out the video. I'm Casual Paul, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.